Nestled in lush greenery, away from the city chaos, Royal Global School offers an unparalleled learning environment that nurtures every child in a stimulating and enduring environment. Allow your child to make the most of their formative years as we offer each young individual synthesis of Indian traditional values with an international approach. Our state-of-the-art campus, updated curriculum, dedicated faculty, supported by experienced and warm staff, are aligned with our goal of offering learner-centric, value-based education that strives for excellence in every walk of life. Let your child experience peerless character building only at Royal Global School, Guwahati.